Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this printer error code is 0x000003e3. How to fix this printer error in Windows 11 or 10. Very easily you can fix this problem. So firstly need to type troubleshoot settings here, search and here type troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Now Windows Update, and here upper side in Windows Update, upper side is printer, so click on run and wait some few minutes. And after this process will be complete, so close it. And your problem will be fixed. If does not fix, so search services and open it. Now here find printer spooler service. Yeah, this printer spooler, double click on it, and this startup type is automatically. Click on stop, again click on start. Now apply and OK. Now close it. Now click on start and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this printer problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.